Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to make a cargo pocket. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you! I'll be working with the following items: a pair of fabric scissors, water erasable fabric pencil, ruler, tape measure, some interfacing, my fabric of choice. On my fabric, I have already drawn this rectangular box that is 8 inches wide and 11 inches long. I will cut it out. I will measure the total length of the rectangular piece except the top edge, like this. And this gave me a value of 30 inches. I will now cut out a long strip of fabric that is 3 inches wide and 30 inches long. Once I'm done cutting it out, I will hem the two short edges of the strip and the top edge of the rectangular pocket piece. These are the two pocket pieces. I have hemmed the top edge of the rectangular pocket piece, as you can see, and I've also hemmed the two short edges of the long strip. I will notch the middle of the rectangular pocket piece at the lower end like this. I will also notch the middle of the long pocket strip like this. I will now pin the long pocket strip to the rectangular pocket piece, right side to right side, like this. After pinning, I will take it to my sewing machine and I will stitch it in place using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see, and I've given the pocket a thorough press with my iron. As you can see, I still add some excess left at the top edges of the fabric strip. What I did was just to fold it over to the wrong side and stitch it in place. I will now measure the width and the length of the pocket. And this gave me a value of 7 inches by 9.5 inches. Now let's assume that this is where I intend to fix the pocket, which can be the size of a trouser or a skirt. I have gone ahead to draw out an outline on the fabric where I am going to fix the pocket, and of course the dimension of the outline is 7 inches by 9.5 inches, and this is the dimension, the width and the width of the pocket that I intend to sew in place. I have measured the pocket earlier. On the pocket piece, I have already notched the exact positions of the 3 sides of the pocket that will be sewn in place. I have also notched the middle at the bottom edge of the pocket. I will also mark the middle point at the lower end of the outline like this. All this will serve as my guide when sewing the pocket in place on my sewing machine. I will now go ahead and sew the pocket in place. I will do the stitching now, following the guideline that I've already drawn on the fabric. The stitching will be done right side to right side using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see. I will now sew the top edge of the pocket in place vertically to about 1 inch below the pocket mouth on both sides of the pocket. But before I go ahead to do the stitching, I will reduce or trim off the seam allowance like this so as to reduce the fabric bulk. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see. Next, I will measure the width of the pocket opening, and this gives a value of 7 inches. This is another piece of fabric entirely. I will fold it into 2. Then I will cut out a fabric piece that is 3 inches wide and 7 inches long. But I will add extra 1 inch to the 7 inches for seam allowance, making it a total of 8 inches. Then I will cut it out, and this is the pocket cover. I have gone ahead to fuse interfacing to the wrong side of this fabric piece, which is the pocket cover. I will go ahead and sew the 2 short sides in place, right side to right side, using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see, and I've turned it to the right side, and I have also given it a thorough press with my iron. I will now place the pocket opening cover at the pocket opening like this. I will align the 2 edges very well. I will locate the point of the 2 pocket pieces, and I will make sure that the middle points match up. I will now go ahead and stitch it in place using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. The stitching has been done, as you can see. I will reduce the seam allowance like this. On the right side of the pocket cover, I will go ahead and top stitch the top edge of the pocket cover about 1/4 inch from the top edge of the pocket cover. So now the stitching has been done, as you can see, and I have successfully covered the raw edges of the pocket cover. So that's it, guys. On the wrong side with the top stitching. And this is the final look of the cargo pocket. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, share this video with your friends who are interested in sewing, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. See you in my next tutorial. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.